secret. I'ma keep you a 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 secret.
So I get this question a lot, so I figured I'd jump on here and just do a really quick video explaining how to properly sign over a title, whether you're buying it or selling it. So this is a title. It's called MVR 191. A lot of people don't know that, but this is a North Carolina title. Right here is where this title got mailed to whomever. This is the owner section. As you see, it says owner or owners, right, in plural. So it could be in two names. So if it's in two names, both people have to sign. So let's take a look at it again. So this is the section that you want to be concerned about, owner's name. So you want to make sure that the person that you're buying it from, their name is here. Their name and address is going to appear here. Right here where it says first lien holder, if they had a loan on this vehicle at some point, you might see, let's say, Bank of America, whatever financial credit union, blah, 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 would be here. Their name and address would be here. There needs to be a signature and a date here saying that this bank, or whoever the first lien holder is, has released this lien. If you see a name or anything in this section here, and there is no signature here, 9 times out of 10, almost 10 times out of 10, that person is still owes money to this bank. If they don't, that person that you're buying it from needs to take this title and get a signature from a bank representative to get that lien release. So that releases liability. Now I'm going to show you on the back. Let's turn that over. On the back, you're going to see section A. We'll zoom in. Name of buyer. This is who's buying the vehicle, their address. This is where the mileage goes at the time of sale. Over here, this is just acknowledging whether the vehicle has had any damage. If it's not been damaged, you're going to mark no. A lot of times people think that this is the section for the no. This is yes. These 3 boxes are yes. These 3 boxes are no. So has this vehicle ever been flooded, salvaged, damaged, reconstructed, recovered from theft? If the answers are no, you're going to mark these 3 boxes. No, no, and no. This is going to be the date of sale, the date that you took delivery of the vehicle. Here where it says seller, this is where the person you're buying the vehicle from needs to sign their full name. They're going to print their name. The notary is going to notarize it. He or she's going to put the date, the county, the state. And on this line, this is a very important line. It's called a principal line. Sorry, it's so shaky. This is a principal line. The notary is indicating that they witnessed this person sign this document. So the notary needs to write the seller's name on this line. If this line is blank, DMV is going to reject the work. The notary is going to, let's get closer. Notary is going to sign, print, put what date their expiration, their notary seal expires, and they're going to stamp that. Here where it says buyer signature, that's going to be you. Buyer, and then you're going to print your name. That's it. You take this document to your DMV, and they will transfer the title into your name, print a new title, and then the title will come to you, and your name will be there. That's it. So I wanted to also add something. So a lot of times if you're selling your vehicle and you really don't know who you're selling it to, but you know that you're selling it. So sometimes what sellers would do is they would go ahead and sign the title, the back of the title, sign it, get the notary to notarize it, and then this part is blank because you're waiting for someone to come buy the car, and they buy it, then you'll fill their name out. Legally, that's not a legal assignment. Yes, the notary is only witnessing the seller's signature, but you can only be a seller if you have a buyer. So do not sign your title with no buyer's name on the top of it. It's considered, in the DMV world, it's considered an open assignment. Open assignment. And I'm going to go over that open assignment and what that actually means in another video. But do not sign your title and have it notarized with no buyer information on it. If your title gets lost somehow, some way, someone can find your title, put their name on the buyer's line, and then go and register that vehicle and then report that car stolen. Trust me, I've seen it happen. So just wanted to add that to the video. I think that's it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. You're welcome.
Secret. I'ma keep you a 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 secret.